Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
We have a big conference today for 15 projects. With the contract ID 25BE082 to 25BE096. So before we proceed, I request everybody to stand and Engineer Ian Balmaceda, please do the prayer.
Father, send us. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven.
Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.
We acknowledge the is Pamela.
Okay, so good morning, everyone. Before we start the pre-week conference, we would like first to acknowledge all your present. We have Back Chairman Restituto Inventero presiding,
Present.
Back Vice Chairman Marquis Antonio, Back Member Ronald P. Tagba, Back Member Ronald P. Lim,
Present.
EWG Member Cristiano Torreguesa, EWG Member Ian Balmaceda, EWG Member Angelica Bigoret, EWG Member Shenenga Now, EWG Member Marjorie Bulawan, EWG Member Giselle Esmulatigos, Back Secretariat Adalia Taguba, Back Secretariat Vilmar Camayo, Back Secretariat Celso Concepcion,
Present, ma'am.
EWG Member Mary Joy Kiofer, EWG Member Warlord Vic Bakbig, Back Secretariat Rosturi Evasi Gonzalez, Back Member Renato G. Balici Jr. We have
Okay, since we're done, then let's proceed. In construction, please read the contents of the invitation receipt.
Good morning, everyone. Invitation to bid. The DPWH Sabela First DOC to Bilagan Sabela through the DPWH General Appropriation Act 2025 and SR 2025 the 0 to the 005634 intends to apply the sum as stated as the ABC to payments under the contract for the following projects. Bids received in excess of the ABC shall be automatically rejected at bid opening. For the first contract, we have contract ID 25BE0082, contract name, Concreting of Malasi to San Antonio FMR, Barangay Sitio Malasi, Barangay San Antonio, Cabagan, Isabela. Contract location is at Cabagan, Isabela. For the brief description, road concreting with a length of 1 kilometer, width 6.1 meter, thickness 0.23 meter. Also, we have stone masonry with parapet, area of 482.31 square meter. Cross drain, 2 single barrel box culvert, 1 line 0.61 meter diameter RCPC with head wall, and 1 line 0.61 meter diameter RCPC. The ABC, 14,925,000 pesos. Contract duration, 83 calendar days. Source of fund, SR 2025 the 0 to the 005634. And the cost of bidding documents 25,000 pesos. Next, we have contract ID 25BE0083. Contract name, Concreting of Barangay Talag, proper to Sitio Punta FMR, Barangay Talag, Cabagan, Sabela. The contract location is at Cabagan, Sabela. For the brief description, we have road concreting. For section 1, we have length of 2.3 km, width 6.1. Also, section 2, we have length of 0.091 km, width 6.1 meter. RCPC 36 linear meter. DABC 29,850,000 pesos. The contract duration 124 calendar days. Source of fund SR 2025 the 0 to the 005634. Cost of bidding documents 25,000 pesos. We have also contract ID 25BE0084. Contract name, Concreting of Bubog FMR Phase 1, Barangay Bubog, Santo Tomas, Isabela. The contract location is at Santo Tomas, Isabela. Brief description, road concreting with a length of 1.31 km, width 6.1 meter, thickness 0.23 meter. Also, we have RCPC with a length of 808 linear meter. The ABC, 14,925,000 pesos. Contract duration, 83 calendar days. Source of fund, SR 2025-02-00563 Cost of bidding documents, 25,000 pesos. Next, we have contract ID 25BE0085. Contract name, concreting of Barangay Pilig Alto FMR, Barangay Pilig Alto, Cabagan, Isabela. Contract location is at Cabagan, Isabela. Brief description, road concreting. For section 1, we have a length of 0.68 kilometer. For section 2, we have a length of 0.924 kilometer. We have also RCPC, 18 linear meter. The ABC, 19,900,000 pesos. Contract duration, 107 calendar days. The source of fund, SR 2025-02-005634. Cost of bidding documents, 25,000 pesos. Also, we have contract ID 25BE0086. Contract name, concreting of Caligayan FMR. Barangay Caligayan, Tumawini, Isabela. Contract location is at Tumawini, Isabela. Brief description, road concreting with a length of 0.783 km. RCPC 31 linear meter. Stone masonry with parapet 797.5 square meter. Open line canal with a length of 585 linear meter. DABC is 14,925,000 pesos. Contract duration 83 calendar days. Source of fund SR 2025-02-00564 and the cost of bidding documents is 25,000 pesos. Let's continue. Contract ID 25BE0087. Contract name, Convergence and Special Support Program. Basic Infrastructure Program. BIP, evacuation centers, quarantine facilities, public health facilities. Construction of multipurpose building, evacuation center, Barangay Fugu, Tumawini, Isabela. Contract location is Barangay Fugu Norte, Tumawini, Isabela. Brief description for JL 1 to 2, A to F, 5 base, earthworks, concrete works, finishing works, electrical works. For GL 1 to 2, from A to E, for base, roofing system, electrical works, and lighting fixtures. The ABC, 9,900,000 pesos. Contract duration, 198 calendar days. Source of fund, DPWH, JAA 2025. And the cost of bidding documents, 10,000 pesos. We have also contract ID 25BE0088. Contract name, Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP, multipurpose buildings, facilities to support social services. Construction of multipurpose building, Barangay San Pedro, Tumawini, Isabela. Contract location, Barangay San Pedro, Tumawini, Isabela. Brief description, earthworks and concrete works, finishing works, including tile works, plastering, painting, panel doors, aluminum frame windows and partition, cubicle with office chairs, and mobile cabinet. Also, we have roofing system, sanitary works, electrical works, mechanical works, include air conditioning system. The ABC, 14,850,000 pesos. Contract duration, 191 calendar days. Source of fund, DPWS GAA 2025. Cost of bidding documents, 25,000 pesos. Next, we have contract ID 25BE0089. Contract name, Convergence and Special Support Program. Sustainable Infrastructure Projects Alleviating Gaps. SIPAG, Flood Mitigation Structure, Protecting Major Strategic Public Buildings Facilities. Construction of slope protection works along Cagayan River. Package 1, Barangay Garita to Barangay Kansan, Cabagan, Isabela. The contract location is at Cabagan, Isabela. Brief description, concrete revetment with steel sheet pile foundation and hexapod 2 protection. Height, 9.67 meter with a 9 meter pile and a length of 500 linear meter. The ABC 144,750,000 pesos. Contract duration 350 calendar days. Source of fund DPWH GAA 2025. Cost of bidding documents 50,000 pesos. For contract ID 25BE0090, contract name Organizational Outcome 2, protect lives and properties against major floods. Flood Management Program, construction, rehabilitation of flood mitigation facilities within major river basins and principal rivers. Construction of slope protection structure along Cagayan River, Package 1, Cabagan, Isabela. The contract location is at Cabagan, Isabela. Brief description, concrete revetment with steel pile foundation and hexapod toe protection with a height of 9.67 meter, 9 meter pile and a length of 365 linear meter. TABC 96,500,000 pesos. Contract duration 330 calendar days. Source of fund DPWH GAA 2025 and the cost of bidding documents 50,000 pesos. Next we have contract ID 25BE0091, contract name Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP. Flood mitigation structures protecting major strategic public buildings facilities. Construction of flood mitigation structure along Cagayan River, Phase 5, Barangay Malapagay, Santo Tomas, Isabela. The contract location is at Santo Tomas, Isabela. Brief description, concrete revetment with steel sheet pile foundation and hexapod toe protection. Height 7 meter, 9 meter pile and a length of 160 linear meter. The ABC 39,600,000 pesos. Contract duration 218 calendar days. Source of fund DPWH GAA 2025 and the cost of bidding documents 25,000 pesos. Also, we have contract ID 25BE0092. Contract name Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP. Access roads and or bridges from the national roads leading to major strategic public buildings, facilities. Rehabilitation of road, Barangay Casibarag Sur, Cabagan, Isabela. Contract location is at Cabagan, Isabela. Brief description, road rehabilitation with a length of 0.96 km, width 5 meter, thickness 0.23 meter and length of 0.12 km. Average width 4.8 meter and thickness 0.23 meter. We have also covered line canal with curb and gutter, length of 59 linear meter with 1.2 meter, average height 1.58 meter. DABC 9,900,000 pesos. Contract duration 81 calendar days. Source of fund DPWH General Appropriation Act 2025 and the cost of bidding documents 10,000 pesos. Also, we have contract ID 25BE0093. Contract name, Convergence Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP, Multipurpose Buildings Facilities to Support Social Services. Construction of multipurpose building, Barangay Fugo, Abajo, Tumawini, Isabela. The contract location is Barangay Fugo, Tumawini, Fugo, Abajo, Tumawini, Isabela. For the brief description, we have earthworks, concrete works, roofing system. For ground floor, we have masonry works, painting works, tiles installation in PWD toilet, doors and window installation, electrical works, and plumbing works. Second floor, masonry works and electrical works on GLC 1 to 4, C to B for 1 and B for 1 to 4. Plumbing works. Also, we have the ABC of 4,950,000 pesos. Contract duration 117 calendar days. Source of fund DPWH GAA 2025. Cost of bidding documents 5,000 pesos. Next, we have contract ID 25BE0094. Contract name Convergence and Special Support Program, Sustainable Infrastructure Program Alleviating Gaps, SIPAG, access roads and or bridges from the national roads leading to major strategic public buildings facilities. Construction of bridge at Barangay Buenavista, Santa Maria, Isabela. The contract location is at Santa Maria, Isabela. For the brief description, we have a bridge with an area of 439.2 square meter. The ABC, 77,200,000 pesos. The contract duration, 261 calendar days. Source of fund, DPWH GAA 2025. And the cost of bidding documents 25 is 50,000 pesos. We have also contract ID 25 BE0095. Contract name, Convergence and Special Support Program. Sustainable Infrastructure Projects Alleviating Gaps, SIPAG, access roads and or bridges from the national roads leading to major strategic public buildings facilities. Replacement of Fugu Bridge, Barangay Fugu, City of Ilagan, Isabela. The contract location is at City of Ilagan, Isabela. The brief description, we have roads with a length of 0.207 kilometer. Thickness 0.23 meter, width 6.1 meter, and 0.414 lane kilometer. We have also bridge with an area of 270.84 square meter. RCDG, superstructure and substructure. The ABC, 39,200,000 pesos. The contract duration, 241 calendar days. The source of fund, DPWH GAA 2025. The cost of bidding documents, 25,000 pesos. For the final contract, we have contract ID 25BE0096. Contract name, Convergence and Special Support Program. Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP. Evacuation centers, quarantine facilities, public health facilities. Construction of multipurpose building, Evacuation Center, Barangay Poblacion San Pablo, Isabela. The contract location is at Barangay Poblacion San Pablo, Isabela. Brief description, earthworks, concrete works, finishing works, roofing systems, sanitary works, and electrical works. The ABC, 14,850,000 pesos. Contract duration, 198 calendar days. The source of fund, DPWH GAA 2025. Cost of bidding documents, 25,000 pesos. So for the general requirements, may I continue, Sir Chair? For the prospective bidder should be registered with and classified by the Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board with PCAB license size range of at least small b, medium A to medium B. Pursuant to GPPB Resolution number 15-2021 dated October 15, 2021, prospective bidders shall submit in their first envelope the updated PhilJEP Certificate of Platinum Registration and Membership in accordance with Section 23.3, 24.4.3, and 54 of the Republic Act 9184. All Class A eligibility documents covered by Section 8.5.2 of the 2016 revised IRR of RA 9184 supporting the veracity, authenticity, and validity of the certificate shall remain current and updated, and that failure by the prospective bidder to update its PhilJEP Certificate of Platinum Registration and Membership with the current and updated Class A eligibility documents covered by Section 8.5.2 and the 2016 revised RRR of RA 9184 shall result in the automatic suspension of the validity of its Certificate of Platinum Registration and Membership until such time that all of the expired Class A document has been updated. So bidders are required to update their existing PhilJEP's registration, which is Platinum, in the DPW Civil Works Registry prior to the scheduled receipt and opening of bids. For the complete set of bidding documents, It may be acquired by the interested bidders on April 29, 2025 to May 19, 2025 from the given address and upon payment of the applicable fee for the bidding documents pursuant to the latest guidelines issued by the GPPB. Pursuant to Section 17.5 of the 2016 revised RR of RA 9184, bidding documents fee may be refunded in accordance with the above-mentioned guidelines based on the grounds provided for under Section 41 of RA 9184 and its IRR. Bid submission may be done manually or electronically. However, bidders should only select one mode of submission, either manual or electronic. Similar to manual submission, the guidelines for the preparation and submission of an electronic bid are contained in the BDS Clause 17. Okay, wala. Bids must be duly received by the Back Secretariat for manual submission at the procurement unit, DPW Sabela First DO, Sito Belagan Sabela, or at electronic bids _ Sabela First at dpws.gov.ph for electronic submission and receipt of bids on or before May 19, 2025 at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Late bid shall not be accepted. Also, all bids must be accompanied by a bid security in any of the acceptable forms and in the amount stated in BDS Clause 15.1. For the bid opening shall be on May 19, 2025, immediately after the deadline of the receipt of bids at the DPW Sabela First DAO, Conference Hall, Sito Belagan Sabela. Bids will be open in the presence of the bidder's representatives who choose to attend the given address. Finally, the DPWH Sabela First DAO reserves the right to reject any and all bids, declare failure bidding, or not award the contract at any time prior to contract award in accordance with Section 35.6 and 41 of the 2016 revised RR of RA 9184, updated as of July 19, 2024, without thereby incurring any liability to the affected bidder or bidders. We have also the following websites for downloading bidding documents. For DPWH's website, we have www.dpwh.gov.ph. For PhilJobs website, we have www.philjobs.gov.ph. For live streaming website, we have https://www.youtube.com/@dpwsabela1st.do. For online submission, we have electronic bids _sabela1st@dpws.gov.ph. Okay. The ITB is approved by Engineer Restituto Eventero, Chief Maintenance, Section Back Chairman, and noted by Juperio P. Bemente Jr., District Engineer. For further information, let's now return the floor to our back chair, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Concepcion. So the bidding documents are now available. Very interested bidders can acquire starting April 29 to May 19. So the date of bidding, opening of bid will be on May 19 at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So are there a question?
None, sir.
Since there's no question, then moving forward to the opening of calibration services for laboratory equipment and compression machine other tool for use in the quality assurance section. The ADC is 116,196.66. We have the bidders, the Greenline Technology Enterprises and Services. Second one is MQA Trading, and the third one is RG Vans Calibration Services. So let's move to the opening of the envelope of Green Line Dexterity Enterprise Services.
Yun na lang din. Sige. Para sa
Okay, good morning everyone. I have here the first supplier for contract ID 2025-04-0017 for request for quotation. Submitted documents are the following. Field Depth registration, platinum membership, business permit, sign, DTI, sign, tax clearance certificate, sign, certificate of registration, DIR, incomplete documents, there's no attached omnibusary statement for Green Line Tech Enterprises Services. Incomplete documents, Chair.
So Green Line is automatically paid. Let's go to the next bidder, MQA Trading.
Okay, next supplier, I have here the documents submitted by MQA Trading. DTI. BIR. BIR certificate. Payers permit. Tax clearance certificate. Certificate of Philips registration, platinum. Auditor's report. Income tax return. Again, there's no omnibusary statement submitted, sir. Chair.
Again, MQA Trading is paid due to demand submission of omnibus statement. Let's now move to RG Bank's calibration services.
Okay. I have here the documents submitted by RG Bank's Calibrated Services, Field Depth registration, platinum membership, Mayor's business permit, DTI, tax clearance certificate, annual income tax return, compulsory statement, signed and notarized. Complete documents submitted by RG Funds Calibration Services.
Hearing. Proceed.
Habit amount. The bid of RG Funds Calibration Services is 115,000.
So that's all for the meeting. Are there any questions?
Answer.
So let's adjourn that time
9:30.
9:35 in the morning. Again, good morning.